One-syllable English words with the U sound.
Hello again, continuing with our lesson about the one-syllable English words with the O sound. Let's say aloud the following words with the correct O sound. Let's do it together. Let's start, please. Group 2. The UE ending spelling words. Blue. B, L, U, blue. The letter E in blue is silent. Blue. G, L, U, glue. Clue. L, U, clue. True. T, R, U, true. Group 3. The LE and DE ending spelling words. Rule. R, U, L, rule. Rude. R, U, D, rude. Group 4. The EW ending spelling words. New. N, U, new. Few. F, E, U, few. Due. D, E, U, due. Glue. G, R, U, glue. Thank you for watching.